ano kaya itong kakaibang makeup at very unique na na-discover ng ating kasamang si Carla Paderna. Ito ay tinatawag na high definition makeup. Alamin natin lahat ng detalye sa One Life.
Good morning, boss. This morning, tuturuan namin kayo kung paano i-recycle ang inyong mga old clothes at gawing fashionable. O ayan mga boss, dahil feel na feel ko talaga ang aking pagbisita dito sa makeup school ni Miss Steph, talaga namang dinala ko na ang aking closet. Miss Steph, paano po kung gusto kong mag-apply sa isang service-related na work? Ano-ano po ba ang kailangan kong suotin?
Mas maganda kung medyo funky ang look mo. Hindi ka masyadong conservative kasi nga you're dealing with customers, with clients. So dapat medyo loose and medyo outgoing ang suot mo. Medyo fashionable to. Yet this is conservative din. Hindi siya masyadong showy. Then you can partner this with a pants, a black pants. Pag admin naman, pwede kang something medyo comfortable yung suot mo. Yun, like for example, ito, yung uso kasi ngayon yung medyo chiffon. Can use this. This is also conservative, hindi siya yung showy. Pwedeng, kunyari, masyado siyang manipis. Pwede mo siyang suotan ng inner wear like this. So, sa loob, ito muna. And then, pwede mo ipatong to sa labas.
Miss Steph, bonggang-bongga na tong outfit ko. Pero may kulang, para kasing blank ang face ko. Ano po ba ang tama?
Dapat you have to look fresh.
Miss Steph, ano po bang ibig sabihin ng HD makeup?
HD kasi ngayon, yung mga cameras natin are HD na. So, dapat yung makeup mo rin, it's already HD registered. Yung pixelated ng camera ngayon, it's very, very sharp. Dapat yung makeup mo, naka-cover niya. So, dapat pag yung makeup mo hindi kasi HD, nakikita niya naka-float. Try mo na huwag kang maglagay ng anything black. Huwag masyadong dark. More of neutral shades. And then, yung blush on mo rin, wag sobrang bright. Dapat natural lang yung dating mo.
Paano naman po ba ma-achieve ang isang HD makeup?
HD makeup kasi, it's grinded 10 times finer ng ordinary makeup. To enhance the face, we highlight, we contour, and we add on a blush. After nun, we have to set it with a powder. So, kahit na hanggang whole day na yan without retouching, maglalast na talaga siya.
Bakit naman po sponge ang ginagamit natin na pang-apply ng makeup?
Kasi yung mga brushes, meron silang maraming bristles. So, pag nilagay mo yun, tendency, lalo na pag HD camera ang nakatutok sa'yo, kitang-kita mo yung bristles. And like with the sponge that we use, the HD blender sponge that we use, wala siya kasing kanto. Sa kilay, ang very important dyan is dapat sinashape muna natin. Once na na-achieve mo na yung shape na gusto mo, ilagay natin dapat is a pencil. Yung pencil na yung light colored. And then after nun, papatungan natin siya ng powder. It depends on what color is your hair. Dapat it's a shade lighter than your hair. Pag manipis ang kilay, we have to fill in using a powder. So dahan-dahan natin siyang fill in to make a shape. Don't overpluck or don't overshape. Ang right proper talaga dyan is you have to trim it really well. The eyeshadow and the lipstick, it actually depends with your skin type. If you have a warm color, dapat ang eyeshadow mo warm din. Even if your lipstick, dapat din siya, it's warm. The hair should be neat. Hindi yun, it's either you have it nakalaglag ng ganyan na maayos, or you can have it ponytailed. Pag curl kasi, okay lang, as long as yung ends lang. Huwag masyadong over yung hairstyle mo din.
Please invite our viewers at pagandahin nyo rin po sila katulad ng ginawa nyo sa akin.
You can contact us at www.hdmakeupacademy.com. As a course, you can have this actually for a class, and then okay din siya for if you want to have a business, ganun.
Sa mga fresh graduate natin dyan at naghahanap pa ng trabaho, ito ang kailangan nyo. The right outfit, makeup, at hair. At syempre mga boss, please come prepared with the right attitude and heart sa iyong trabaho na papasukan. At ako po ulit si Carla Paderna for One Life.